Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Hanway Blackcafe Racer 125. It's A1 license applicable, of course. Really gorgeous looking bike. Nice front, big front disc brake with a rear disc brake as well. Only has 5,000 kilometers on the clock, so virtually new. And as we'll go around it, you can see the condition too. Front tire here, really good nick. You have front mud guard. You have a little bit of a peeling here and here on the inside as well. It was where a learner sign was put on it and was put on too viciously with the glue. But front shocks here in good condition, left and right. Front headlamp assembly is original, same with the indicators, which are all LED. Onto the left hand side of the bike, the tank is in perfect condition here. Original side casings. All the engine is really nice nick here. Everything you see here. Original seat, the cowl on it, over the top then. Fuel cap is in nice condition. Original key. You do have some corrosion in around the odometer. And onto the rear shock, swing arm, pillion pegs as well. Nice big rear tire, lots of thread left in that. Exhaust here is nice on this now left hand side of the bike. Blackcafe Racer original side panel again on this side. The tank also a nice nick here, no marks at all to make note of. Instrument gauges or clusters on the grips here are all in really nice condition, very easy to see, no fading, and nice mirrors on her as well. So that's it for the Blackcafe visual inspection. We'll now move on to the ride along video.
You hear from a lot of people is you can really wring its neck out, and I can have some good fun on them. As you can see, I'm absolutely wringing its neck out, and I'm not doing crazy speeds, I'm not doing stupid speeds as well. So that's really it. Capable of probably being around 100 kilometers an hour. Would I go on the motorway with this thing? Probably not. It's not exactly super suitable for what you would call it motorway use. But everything else around city, learning to drive on this thing would be really great, and also the looks is just so much better than a lot of the 125s out there. And that's what I think a lot of people will be drawn towards this bike, is the looks, also the low kilometers. Obviously it's a very low kilometer bike, it's running great, but really it's the looks that will sell it. It's got a good little exhaust and sound note off it for a 125. It's super easy to drive, and it's going to be cheap to insure and cheap to tax at 60 odd euros a year. Insurance will be really cheap, and the parts are very readily available for these little things from Hanway, delivered to your door in around 3 days. So let me just turn in here on the left hand side, and we'll just have a look at what she's like. So let me get into her neutral. Very easy to find neutral, as you can see there. She's ticking over nicely as well. Let me get on the side stand. Oh, she'll cut off with the side stand anyway, which is a shame, but we'll see if we can get the indicators going with just the yeah, we can. So I'll just get a little picture of her. It's on English reg, but it will be it's already Irish registered. We're just waiting for the plate to come in. We'll just plonk it on. Let me just get a picture here for the thumbnail on YouTube. So that's the bike. We'll get around on the old indicators now. Front left there, LED again. Rear left, front right here, and the rear right here, as you can see, all working nicely. We'll just have a little look around her again. And again, for the price that she's going up with, I think it's a really good buy. Someone will have a really nice bike for the city or to start on, either one or. So that's the Hanway Blackcafe 125. Little review here on Retro Bikes Dublin. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, and we will try to get onto you for a comment that you leave. We actually do respond to nearly all of our comments. on Retro Bikes Dublin, which you will see in the comment section of any of our videos. We do reply to them all nearly. So do leave a comment on what you think of this Blackcafe 125. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And finally, our social medias are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram. And finally, our website, our official website, is www.retrobikesdublin.com.